Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Play Store error code after update in Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're using Galaxy S25 and you're facing the issue that after update your Play Store is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you just have to keep a long press on your Play Store app, click on this info button, and here just scroll down, go to storage, and just click on clear cache. Once you've cleared cache, your issue will be fixed. After clearing cache before you retry to open your Play Store, you just have to scroll down and make sure that you are connected to internet using your Wi-Fi as well as data. And you have to also make sure that your internet is working well, like your internet is so smooth and fast. You can try to open your YouTube app or any other website to check if your internet is working or not. If your internet is working well and you're still facing the same issue with your Play Store, so you can keep a long press on your Play Store app again, click on this info button, make sure that your Play Store is not working in the background, go to storage, and in storage just try to clear data of your Play Store app. Once you have done, just go back, click on this forward stop, click OK. Now, once you have done, before you retry to use your Play Store, just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on reset, and just click on this restart button again to have a restart with your phone. And after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.